In Office 365, you have the ability to download and install standalone versions of Microsoft Office applications on up to 5 Macs or PCs. To do this, once you're signed in, you can click your name in the top right corner and go to My Account. Once you click My Account, it sends you to your account information as if you would any sort of, account or website. If you click on Install Status along the left side, it will show you the number of computers that you have applications installed on. So as I said, you can install standalone desktop applications on up to 5 Macs and or PCs. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 2 Windows-based PCs and I've got 1 MacBook that I'm currently on right now that I have activated. So I could install standalone Office on 2 more computers. So you can see there a button here that says Install Desktop Applications. When I click on that, the system automatically detects what operating system you're using and instantly recommends which installation of Office should be installed on your system. So like I said, since I'm using a Mac, it recommends that I install Office 2016 for Mac, and then these are the programs that will be installed. So, and there's the install button right here along the bottom of the screen. Okay. Also, you can install these applications on phones and tablets. Separate installation procedures are available for those, but you can install these on phones and tablets as well as your PCs and Macs.